Hi everyone, welcome to MLT Education World. So today we are going to discuss some of the important previous year questions. First question, polymerase chain reaction, that is PCR, was developed by options Ernest Ruska, Rosalind Yalow, Carrie B. Mullis, Carl Landsteiner. Answer is Carrie B. Mullis. Next one, infectious plastic waste should be segregated in which color bag? Options white, yellow, blue, red. Answer is red. Next question, which of the following is not a feature of electron microscope? Options, viruses can be detected, the object appears bright against a dark background, intracellular structures of bacteria can be seen, electromagnet lens is used. So these are the options and the answer is option B, the object appears bright against a dark background. That is, this feature belongs to light microscope. In electron microscopy, here the electrons are the source of illumination. So second one is the answer. Next question, which of the following is an anaerobic medium? Options thioglycolate broth, selenite F broth, bile broth, Loeffler's serum slope. Answer is thioglycolate broth. So it's an anaerobic medium. All other selenite F broth, bile broth, Loeffler's serum slope, these are aerobic medium. Next question, multiple ring forms are the characteristic feature of options Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae. Answer is option B, Plasmodium falciparum. So this multiple ring forms, it is actually the early trophozoite stage of Plasmodium falciparum. So when the peripheral smear of a patient having malaria, this multiple ring forms can be observed. It is appearing as thin multiple rings within the RBC. Next question, which of the following has no cystic stage? Options Trichomonas vaginalis, Giardia lamblia, Enteromonas hominis, Diendamoeba fragilis. Answer is option A, Trichomonas vaginalis. So this Trichomonas vaginalis, it has only one form, that is the trophozoite. All others having cystic stage, Giardia, Enteromonas, Diendamoeba, all these having proper cystic stage. Next one, an AIDS patient came to the outpatient department complaining loose stools. On acid-fast staining, stool showed 4 to 6 micrometer size oocyst. The most probable diagnosis is options Cryptococcus, Cyclospora, Cystiospora, Cryptosporidium. Answer is option D, Cryptosporidium. So Cryptosporidiosis, it mainly affects immunocompromised individuals. So as you all know, in AIDS patients, they will be immunodeficient. So this condition, chronic diarrhea, cryptosporidiosis, can be seen in AIDS patient. Next question, which of the following is not a nematode with small intestine as habitat? Options Ascaris lumbricoides, Ankylostoma duodenale, Enterobius vermicularis, Necata americanus. Answer is Enterobius vermicularis. This Enterobius, it is also known as pinworm. That is, their habitat is usually large intestine. All the others, that is Ascaris, Ankylostoma, Necata americanus, they are mainly seen in small intestine, while Enterobius vermicularis, it is seen in large intestine. Next one, which of the following do not float in saturated salt flotation technique of stool? Options fertilized egg of roundworm, unfertilized egg of roundworm, ovum of pinworm, ovum of hookworm. Answer is option B, unfertilized egg of roundworm. All others float in saturated salt flotation technique. Next question, diarrheal stool with rice water appearance is a characteristic feature of the disease. Options typhoid, bacillary dysentery, cholera, travelers diarrhea. So in the question it is mentioned that diarrheal stool with rice water appearance. So the answer is option C, cholera. The other options, that is bacillary dysentery, that is severe diarrhea along with blood. This condition mainly caused by Shigella, Salmonella, etc. Then traveler's diarrhea, it is caused by E. coli. Next one, inverted filtry appearing growth pattern in gelatin stab culture is related to options Bacillus anthracis, Yersinia pestis, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Bacillus cereus. Answer is option A, Bacillus anthracis. So it is a characteristic feature of Bacillus anthracis, this inverted filtry appearance. Next question is Streptobacillus moniliformis causes options Haverhill fever, pneumonia, meningitis, Brazilian purpuric fever. Answer is option A, Haverhill fever. This Haverhill fever, it is also known as rat bite fever, which is transmitted either by rat bite or ingestion of contaminated products. Next one, example of motile gram-positive bacillus is options Anthrax bacillus, Clostridium perfringens, Lactobacillus, Clostridium septicum. Answer is option D, Clostridium septicum. It is a motile gram-positive bacillus. All others are non-motile in nature. Next question, Friedlander's bacillus is options Klebsiella pneumoniae, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Salmonella typhi, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Answer is option A, Klebsiella pneumoniae. Friedlander's bacillus is Klebsiella pneumoniae. Next one, example of transport media is options MacLeod's medium, DCA, Stewart's medium, McConkey's medium. Answer is option C, Stewart's medium. Next question, Raynaud Broad phenomenon is related to options Candida tropicalis, Candida krusei, Candida pseudotropicalis, Candida albicans. This Raynaud Broad phenomenon, it is also known as germ tube test, and the answer is option D, Candida albicans. Candida albicans give positive for Raynaud Broad phenomenon. Next one, aflatoxin is produced by options Rhizopus, Aspergillus fumigatus, Aspergillus flavus, Histoplasma capsulatum. Answer is Aspergillus flavus. So aflatoxin, it is produced by Aspergillus flavus. Next one, South American blastomycosis is options histoplasmosis, paracoccidioidomycosis, cryptococcosis, coccidioidomycosis. Answer is paracoccidioidomycosis. Next one, ringworm of the foot is options Tinea corporis, Tinea cruris, Tinea capitis, Tinea pedis. Answer is option D, Tinea pedis. While Tinea corporis, it is the ringworm of body, that is itchy circular rashes causing body. Then Tinea cruris, it is the ringworm affecting the groin region. While Tinea capitis, here the ringworm, it is mainly affecting the head. Next question, causative agent of shipyard eye is options herpes virus, echovirus, adenovirus, arbovirus. Answer is adenovirus. Next one, example of DNA virus is options Toga virus, adenovirus, coronavirus, picornavirus. Answer is option B, adenovirus. Adenovirus is a DNA virus. All others are RNA virus. Next one, inclusion bodies seen in case of foulpox are options Lipchitz bodies, Garnery bodies, molluscum bodies, Bollinger bodies. Answer is option D, Bollinger bodies. Next one, Sank cells seen in the microscopic examination of lesions in case of infection with options pox virus, herpes virus, mumps virus, toga virus. Answer is herpes virus. Next one, the main component of glass is options silicon trioxide, silicon dioxide, sodium dioxide, calcium silicate. Answer is option B, silicon dioxide. Next one, needle prick injury belongs to options physical hazard, chemical hazard, biological hazard, electric hazard. Answer is biological hazard. So, needle prick injury, it is a type of biological hazard. Next one, picric acid is stored options in closed cabinet, underwater, crack-proof containers, at ground level. Answer is underwater. So, picric acid, it should be stored under water. Next one, gram equivalent weight of a solute in a liter of solution is termed as options molar solution, normal solution, percent solution, molal solution. Answer is option A, molar solution. Next one, grey colored vacutainer tube stopper indicate the anticoagulant. Options EDTA, heparin, sodium fluoride potassium oxalate, citrate. Answer is option C, sodium fluoride potassium oxalate. So, grey colored vacutainer tube indicates anticoagulant sodium fluoride potassium oxalate, while EDTA, it is a purple tube, and heparin, it is a green tube, and citrate, it is a blue colored vacutainer tube. Next one, which of the following radioactive isotope is used to measure the activity of thyroid gland? Options cobalt 60, carbon 14, iodine 131, sodium 24. Answer is option C, iodine 131. Next question, indole ring is present in options arginine, tryptophan, histidine, proline. Answer is option B, tryptophan. Next one, the electrostatic interaction between charged proteins and matrix is involved in options thin layer chromatography, ion exchange chromatography, molecular sieve chromatography, none of these. Answer is ion exchange chromatography. So, as you all know, chromatography meaning the separation of components, isn't it? So, the electrostatic interaction between charged proteins and matrix is involved in ion exchange chromatography. Next question, in dry chemistry analyzers, the reaction is measured by options flame photometry, colorimetry, reflectance spectrophotometry, all of the above. Answer is option C, reflectance spectrophotometry. Next one, closeness to the true value is options accuracy, precision, sensitivity, none of these. Answer option A, accuracy. Closeness to the true value is accuracy. Next question, inaccurate pipetting belongs to which of the following? Options pre-analytical error, analytical error, post-analytical error, all the above. Answer is analytical error. Next one, red colored vacutainer tube contain options EDTA, no anticoagulant, heparin, double oxalate. Answer is option B, no anticoagulant. So, red colored vacutainer tube means there will be no anticoagulant in that tube. Next one, estimation of serum level of which of the following parameters helps in differentiation between salivary gland lesions and pancreatic disease? Options alkaline phosphatase, amylase, C-reactive protein, lipase. Answer is option D, lipase. Next one, estimation of serum concentration of 25-hydroxy vitamin D is useful in cases cases of options megaloblastic anemia, night blindness, osteomalacia, pernicious anemia. Answer is option C, osteomalacia. Osteomalacia or adult rickets. It's a condition that causes softening of bones. So, for this condition, we will do the estimation of serum concentration of 25-hydroxy vitamin D. Next one, name the cellular organelle that serves as the site of protein synthesis. Options mitochondria, lysosomes, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum. Answer is option D, endoplasmic reticulum. So the site of protein synthesis, it is endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following is true regarding kinetic assays in comparison to endpoint assays? Options good accuracy and precision, can be done on ordinary photometers, cheaper, more time required. Answer is option A, good accuracy and precision. Next one, creatine phosphokinase MB isoenzyme CKMB isoenzyme is assayed for diagnosis of disorder of the options brain, heart, liver, kidney. Answer is option B, heart. The substance identified by using RT-PCR is options antibody, antigen, DNA, RNA. Answer is option D, RNA. Next one, the enzyme used for creation of a gene library is options restriction endonuclease, reverse transcriptase, telomerase, topoisomerase. Answer is option A, restriction endonuclease. Interference of red blood cells in CSF protein analysis is avoided by centrifugation, dilution 1:10, filtration, precipitation. Answer is centrifugation. Next one, indicator used for the determination of free acidity in gastric juice is options methyl orange, methyl red, phenolphthalein, Toffer's reagent. Answer is option D, Toffer's reagent. The most common types of kidney stones are options calcium oxalate, cysteine, calcium phosphate, uric acid. Answer is calcium oxalate. So the most common type of kidney stones are calcium oxalate crystals. Next one, in serum protein electrophoresis, the globulin fraction with the slowest rate of migration is options alpha 1, alpha 2, beta, gamma. Answer is gamma. The immunoglobulin class important in secondary immune response is options IgA, IgD, IgG, IgM. So the immunoglobulin which is important in secondary immune response is IgG. Next one, the enzyme present in enzyme labeled antibodies used in ELISA technique is options 5-nucleotidase, alanine aminotransferase, alkaline phosphatase, aspartate aminotransferase. Answer is alkaline phosphatase. The best index of long-term control of blood glucose level is fasting plasma glucose, fructosamine, glycated hemoglobin, urine, microalbumin. Answer is glycated hemoglobin or HbA1c. Next one, form immunoglutamic acid or FIGLU is excreted in urine in the deficiency of options folic acid, vitamin B12, niacin, pyridoxal phosphate. So FIGLU it is excreted in urine in deficiency of option A, folic acid.